Hello Asha. Yeah. Hello Inez. I'm sorry I cannot hear you. I'm using earphone.
It's okay. By the way, what are you listening to?
I'm listening to the music.
Oh, I see. What genre of music do you like?
I like Korean pop music. How about you, Inez? Do you like listening to the music too?
Yes, I'm also listening to music and I like all genre of music.
Oh yeah? Which do you prefer to listen? Korean music or Western music?
I prefer to listen Western music than K-pop music.
Oh, who is the singer do you like?
I'm crazy about the 1975.
Is that a band?
Yes, that is band pop rock. What do you think about Western music, Asha?
I'm not really keen on Western music because I don't know all of Western music. I just like soundtrack from movie The Greatest Showman.
Oh, I see. You like Korean music pop, right?
Yeah.
Who is the singer do you like?
I am really fond of X1 Korean boy band.
Oh, I know that. I'm listening to X1 song too.
Oh really? Which song do you like?
I really like that song, especially I'm Here With You.
Oh me too. Let's go listen together. Let's go!
한 걸음 아니 두 걸음 조금 더